Hey everyone, this is Matt from Parent Presence. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the AROEVE Air Purifier. So here it is. I have it on right now. It does need to be plugged into an outlet. The cord is pretty long that it comes with. It is nice white. It's got the sleek design to it. The first thing that you got to do when you get this air purifier is to open up the back, take out the filter, and it's going to be in like some wrapping like this. So you got to make sure you take that out just before you turn it on and start using it. Then this will easily flip back in. Whoop. So clip it shut. And then there's a lot of different options on the top here. So just the power option, turn it on, turn it off. This is level 1. If you wanted to, you can go to level 2. Or you can go to night mode, which is going to be a lot quieter, and there's going to have no lights on here. So let's set it at level 1 for now. This is an LED light, so if you want the light on or not, kill some extra germs. It also does shine, the light down here as well as the light on top here. Here we have the timer, so you can set it to 6 hours, 12 hours, or not set it. And then right here is if you wanted to diffuse an aroma around the room, you can open this up and then, drop a couple droplets of your aroma onto that little pad, and then that will help diffuse the aroma around the room. So pretty cool there. Overall, yes, very cool air purifier. After 2,000 hours of using this, you will start to see a red light, and that will indicate that it is time to change the filter. So, yeah, we were sent this product from the company, but that was our overview. That was our demo. Thank you to AROEVE for sending us this to test. That's what you're going to get.